helicopters everywhere. It's a stratosphere. Yep, all these helicopters are flying around. They're doing tours. It's kind of loud when they come by. There's like 5 of them out here. Hope this gets quiet at night so I can sleep. Come on. Come on. I need your arm. Come on. Oh, there you go. There you go, Patty. Oh, there you go. It's a good boy. There you go, good boy. No, Mom said you're a bad boy. No, you're a good boy. Good morning. And the Pat's having a good morning. We are in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. This is Circus Circus. It's pretty bright here compared to Oregon. Have a hard time seeing. These big old buildings here now. Place has changed so much since I've been here. The stratosphere is over there. We're in the cheapest spot they have just because we wanted to stay and get a shower, hang out, and kind of check out some things here in Vegas. There's Susan coming. So we're gonna try to do this today. There's Pat. He's already had breakfast, so he doesn't need breakfast, but this is what we got going. Oh, look. It's like it got really beat up already. That's all right though. There's our stew. Oh. Put the feet out. Don't fall over. This over here as close as we can get it to the vent here. We'll probably turn the vent up. Wow, that's pretty tall. It is. I was not prepared for that. Now I'm second guessing what I'm doing. That's pretty tall. I don't know if I like that inside here. I might go boil the water outside. That's fine. You can do it. I know. You could probably do it right here on the step. Yeah. No, do it right there. Oh, damn my leg. That was cold. I was trying to see the lion. Where'd it go? There it is. I'll take all this outside. Okay. Patty, you can wait here. That's a good spot. I'll have to find a light or something. There we go. We're boiling water. Actually, that looks pretty good. Could use instant coffee. And spill it all over. He likes the sunshine. I know this is more coffee, but oh, it smells so good. It's vanilla. I might need my hat because it's so bright out there to shade my eyeballs. And you open it ready? Mm-hmm. Pat, why don't you get up here, Pat? You want to dump hot water on the dog? Come on. Get up here. Get in bed. Get up there. Get up there. You're a good boy. You can do it. You can do it. Hops the daisy. Okay, hop, hop. Hop, hop, Mom. I'm right up there with you. Okay. Now, tell me when you think it's a mess. A little bit more. That's good. Ooh, toasty. It's somewhere right here. It's so beautiful outside. Move all the clothes out of my way. Not like when we were here during the summertime. That was horrible. There's honey. There's honey right next to the peanut butter. It's a sweetener. We got jelly. Well, at least you've got cinnamon and apples. Yours is already sweetened. Yeah.
That's not good.
Dump it. I got more water coming. You can get oatmeal. Switch it out for oatmeal. Hmm? Watch yourself. I bet your cup's really hot. I see nothing. Stir. I know how much.
Take it down.
Here. I bet you will be washing them like chrome on Van City Vanlife.
Well, does the dog lick them?
And then he wipes them on his shirt, remember?
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. So good. What do you think, Pat? You ready for a fun day? Should we go somewhere today, Pat? How's your coffee?
It's okay. I use a little sugar. That's the first time we've used that.
You can get some in there. Are you right over my shoulder here, Pat?
Pat tapped Susan on the shoulder to want some of her food. He actually just tapped her on the shoulder with his little chin. It was pretty funny.
Taking a little bit of coffee I have left. And go see Pat. Pat went to the dog park.
That's pretty cool. I wonder what's inside your bus.
Oh, that green one?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool looking.
Huh. So I just wonder what it costs to drive something like that.
Too much. It's pretty much a parking lot with some power poles, sewer hookups. And then, of course, they do have the showers. They have laundry. Hi, guys. We're just getting ready to go out to Lake Mead. David's been throwing the rest of the garbage away, and Pat's all loaded up, and everything's all stabilized to move. And looks like here he comes, so we can get on the road here. Beautiful sunny day.
If we had the chairs in the better spot, you can pull them out. You can sit right here.
Yep.
But they're kind of inconveniently located. Actually,
Yeah.
no, I can get them out if we needed them.
There's Pat. Oh, Pat, you're beautiful. Aren't you beautiful? You're ready to go. Okay, guys. So we'll be taking you with us, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure and catch our next video when we go to Lake Mead and Hoover Dam.